Hello everybody. Thank you. Thank you so much again as you are watching my video day by day and you are enjoying my videos one after another. Okay, you see I'm here with another rhyme number 5, ding dong bell. I would like to recite the rhyme rhythmically and I will tell level best. And I would like to show some problems. Making a sound, correct sound of some words of the rhyme. Okay, now let's come to our main point. The name of the rhyme is Ding Dong Bell. Ding dong bell pushes in the well. Who put her in? Little Tommy Tin. Who pulled her out? Little Johnny Stout. What a naughty boy was that? To drown poor pussy cat. Again, Ding Dong Bell, the name of the poem. Ding Dong Bell, the name of the rhyme. Ding Dong Bell, pussy's in the well. Who put her in? Little Tommy Thin. Who pulled her out? Little Johnny Stout. What a naughty boy was that? To drown poor pussy cat. To drown poor pussy cat. Like this. In this rhyme, we like to feel some problems making sound, correct sound of some words. So see here, this is P-O-O-R and D-R-O-W-N. These two words, and here is boy. You see here, D-R-O-W-N. Most of us make the sound or pronounce the word drone. Drone or drone like this, but it is drown. It is drown. The symbol tells drown. D R A U N. This is a symbol from Oxford Dictionary. And you see poor, P-O-O-R, P-O-O-R. Somebody speaks, somebody tells, somebody utters or pronounce poor. Poor. This is poor. P U R. Poor. R is silent here. Poor. Drown and poor. What a naughty boy was boy. This is boy. This is boy. 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 This is boy. These are the symbols. And these symbols are from Oxford Dictionary English to English. And as much as you are concerned with the symbols from the dictionary, Oxford Dictionary English to English, you must make the correct sound of the word poor. This is poor. And this is drown, not drown. This is not poor. This is not poor. This is poor. This is poor. Okay, again we try our level best to recite the rhyme. The name of the rhyme is Ding Dong Bell. Ding Dong Bell, pushes in the well. Who put her in? Little Tommy Thin. Who pulled her out? Little Johnny Stout. What a naughty boy was that to drown poor pussy cat. To drown poor pussy cat. To drown poor pussy cat. Like this. So, in this way, we have to try to pronounce, to make the words rhythmic, because rhythmical sound is must in a rhyme, and this is why it is called rhyme. And if it is without the rhythmical sound, then will not be able to tell this is rhyme. So this is a symbol, this is a characteristic of, this is the features of the rhyme, that there must have rhythmical sound. The rhyme must be rhythmic. So and that's all. Okay, thank you. Bye.